Okay, so this is how you're going to access the pages. On the left side where you see Multimedia Library, click on that. Then what chapter do you want? We're doing chapter 2. And we want section 3, which is problem solving or word problems. We want the multimedia textbook. I'm going to say find now. And it pops up the book section. I click on that and wait for it. And depending on your internet connection, it could take a while. So let's wait for it to pop up. And once it pops up, it should be section 2.3 showing us. Okay, so there's section 2.3. We're currently on page right here, 111 at the top right. I can keep going to the right to get to the desired page. And remember, for tomorrow night, I said 121 to 123. So I'm going to keep going to the right. I am at page 119 now, up at the top corner. And 121, go back. Page 121 is this one. So this page, you're going to print these bottom problems. And then also page 121. Oh, actually, this is the first page you're going to print. So you're going to print starting with this page, which is 121. And you can also, I think, look up pages here. Let's do that as well. Okay, so here, when I do the search, it actually doesn't end up being that nice. Like if I want to say page 123 and push enter, then maybe if I click on it, oh, the first one that came up actually was not that. So page 23. 123 was on there. Maybe if I want like page, I don't know, 200, I'll push enter. And there, the first one that pops is page 200. If I click on it, it'll take me to page 200. And there we are all on page 200. So basically, I'm going to close this out. A quick recap. You click on Multimedia Library. Then you go to the chapter you want, then the section you want, then you click Multimedia Textbook, and when you click this, it pulls up the textbook, and then you go to the desired page. Another way you can do it is also through the e-text. This loads up 2.3, of course, and then again, the easiest way, you can just click to the right until you get to the page that you want. The other way quickly is HTML ebook. You can click on that. Alternate version of the ebook. Again, HTML version of the ebook, click that. Now this gives you the book in HTML form. You will go to actually chapter 2 is what I asked you guys to bring. Section 3. And there is chapter 2, section 3. And if I want a page, you can just put the page number 121. And it gets you to that page. So this is another way to be able to see the pages. Section 2.3, and then page 122 is the other one you want to print. And also, printing from this, you probably just have to right-click and print the entire screen. From the other version, I should tell you how to print actually. So let's close this up. Go back to the Multimedia Library. Now I'm in the Multimedia Library where I selected the section and the chapter, and I came to this page 121. If you click on the dots, it says print. So print that and make sure your computer is connected to a printer, and it'll print just that page for you.